Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. What's up, guys? Chris Colbert here. Welcome to 5 Minute Friday. This is a video about a book I read entitled Your Photos Think by David Bush, and this is a brief summary, and this is inspired by that series. 5 Minute Friday is going to be a series that I do from time to time when I take a book that focuses on photography, marketing, advertising, or the restaurant industry, hospitality industry. And today's topic is why your photos still stink, or why your photos still suck, and how to fix that fast. So you got the camera, the lens, and the presets. So why do your shots still fall short? There are 3 stinky photo mistakes that people should look at when they're doing photography: bad framing, flat light, and no story. There are some things that you can do in camera that will help you to take better photos, and these quick camera settings will help you audit your photo before you snap the shutter button before you take the photo. So how to train your eye is another way to find a better story and to frame your photos better. So here we go. Also note that you can download the photo fix checklist from CRISP COLBERT Photography somewhere in the description of this video. Let's be honest, some of your photos still don't hit the mark, and it's not your camera's fault, it's you. But don't worry, because I got 3 fast fixes that clean your shots up very nicely. First, not composing, you're just pointing. Flat images, black tension, and drama. So use the rule of thirds, of course, again, leading lines, something new for you, and even negative space to create a story and movement. Shooting at 2 p.m., you're roasting your shots. Learn to chase soft light early in the day, or golden hour, or before the sun falls. Sun sets, I mean. That's 2 good tips. Lastly, for every shoot, ask yourself, what's my subject? What's the light doing? And what emotion am I trying to chase in this photo? Once you nail these 3 things, your photo won't stink, and you can take better shots and make some more money. Download my free photo, CRISP COLBERT Photography photo checklist in this description, and peace out. Do you have an idea for a small business that you plan to implement in order to retire early? Or are you a small to medium-sized business looking to grow your customer base, improve sales, or increase your social media presence? Did you know that digital marketing effectively drives in-person sales, as over 50% of purchases are digitally influenced? Are you aware that 70 to 80% of people will research a company online before making a purchase decision, and that having a one-page website can establish credibility? Hi, my name is Chris Colbert. I am the CEO of Colbert Marketing Group. CMG offers web page design, TV and radio ads, and social media solutions. Call us today to solve all your advertising needs.